Hi everyone. This kind of model bullet camera will not have built-in mic or built-in speaker. For that you have to connect mic input and speaker output on this cable. You will find this cable written audio in, audio out. So you need to connect this external mic, this is external mic, to the port audio in, and you need to give the power to this mic. Same like the audio out pin, you can connect to a speaker but with amplifier. So this is the connection for cameras which doesn't come built-in mic, built-in speaker. Thank you.